We have Jamesin with us.
Oh gosh, wow, we just jumped on.
Yeah,
Okay.
it just happens quite like that. We've got a 2-camera setup for you today. She's here as well.
Wow. Double, that is, oh my God.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, you have all the angles.
All of the angles.
Yeah.
Demo day's wrapped. The first cohort is done.
It is.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel great. Just everyone is so impressive. So, I just feel really, I don't know, honored to be in that room and excited about just what everyone's working on.
Did you hear what Ishan said at the start? Like, just as he walked off, you might have caught it in the issue as he was coming over to me.
No, I didn't.
He was like, I genuinely believe there's going to be a unicorn founder, like out of one of these cohorts, period.
That is amazing, and I also believe that.
It's true though, because like when you sent me the draft document of like what this plays out to look like, the Z fellows, and I was like, Jamesin, are these the people that are supposed to be here? And it feels almost serendipitous that like he's come through it and has gone, no, someone is going to come out of this as a unicorn founder at some point in their life.
Amazing, I believe it, I really do. Just everyone's, the caliber. I was like just blown away by it all, super cool to see it all come together.
Was the week hacking away the right thing to do instead of like batching it together for like a hackathon? And so almost doing like a residency.
Yeah, we thought about a lot of different structures, and because there's so many trade-offs, because if you have it in person, then you kind of lose remote, and you might lose like broader Europe,
Yep.
Paris, Berlin, or whatever it may be. Hacking during the day obviously gives everyone the intensity and the time. So if you hack during the day for a full week, you can really get stuff done. But then people might not be able to travel from Cambridge if they're going to school there, or if they're working, they might not be able to apply. We played around with a lot of different structures, and I do think the 1 week worked. The only thing is that there was the mentors who agreed and like so generously gave their time, and all the founders that we spoke to and the group spoke to. It was like it's hard to like get in the hacking time and also get in the mentor time.
Yeah.
So
they all said they love the mentors.
Yeah, but that's the thing, is like you can't miss out on those. You can't miss out on those, like their insights. Like I just felt that every single one of the mentors and like hearing about their experiences and their challenges was such like an amazing opportunity to have those like one-on-one conversations.
And I think if we had live streamed it, it would have been a completely different type of conversation, because they wouldn't have been able to talk about certain things live. And I think that having that opportunity to just ask the blunt question was awesome. Like that first room with Luke was just like, I had so many questions about DeepMind. It was like
so knowledgeable.
All about evals.
I know. Yeah, that one was really, really, really interesting. So I think I don't know. I'll think about the structure for the next one.
What changes are you thinking about making?
See, I'm not really sure, because I did really like the 1 week, and then they had like kind of 2 weeks of space to to put everything together, and then we had demo day, so that worked out really well. So I'm actually not sure. I need to kind of process everything.
Do you think you'll take this international, and so like you'll do one in Germany, or will they always come to London? Yeah, we've thought about different frameworks and different structures. Spoke to the Oxford Science Fund. They would be incredible partners to. I think that'd be awesome.
Yeah, to partner with, and so I think that's kind of just to basically kind of tap into different talent networks and bring everyone together. And the idea is for all this to really compound. So next year we'll run another 2, we'll run or 3, and then from there just create this incredibly vibrant and also intimate community.
Is the goal to consistently bring back the existing cohort as alumni?
Yeah, and hopefully people give talks, and we'll go and see what people do. So that'll be really exciting. But yeah, so there'll be a fresh cohort every time, but hopefully everyone stays within the alumni network.
So everyone will always be brand new to the cohort. There won't be like repeat.
Yeah, so
fellows.
everyone will be brand new. Yeah.
Do you think you'll do like a former fellow one? Like if they end up pivoting out of their product and it like falls apart, and you go like, you know what? We're gonna run it back.
Run it back. It could. I mean, definitely possible.
I love it, Jamesin. I think this is awesome, right? Like I didn't get to see all the demos, but I thought they were all great from what I talked to the gang about.
What was your favorite part?
I genuinely enjoyed Dan's, but primarily because I got to see it.
Oh yeah.
And because I got to let me play with it on Friday because I met up with him.
Oh yeah.
Serendipitously cross paths. he showed me and he's like, do you want to see it? I'm like, dude, are you kidding me? Of course I want to see it.
I know. He downloaded it on my laptop today and I was like, this is so sick.
It's
like,
the screenshot feature?
Yeah.
And he was like, do you use Whisper? I'm like, of course I use Whisper Flow. He's like, well, this is like Whisper Flow, but it has context. What do you mean it has context? Let me show you.
Yeah, and it's beautiful. I mean, it was seamlessly working when I was using it. Just like kicking off Cloud Code, doing it everything
we asked nuts, it to do. Isn't it? Like, did he show you the hookup to Linear?
Yeah.
It just makes the ticket.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's so good. And then continuous evaluation.
Yeah.
My dad used to do a lot of CI/CD, and so I'm sitting there like,
nice.
this is brilliant.
Yeah.
He would love this, and it's automatically building the test tree. It's like going through evaluations and then continuously updating it.
It's a big vision.
It's a really great vision. Were you annoyed that he didn't build anything?
Oh, for that week he did. For
like physically though, like it wasn't a finished product. It was a web app and a demo.
Oh gosh, no. It was. I feel like for my expectations for the week was really everyone to use the time that best serves them.
Right.
And so, whether that be, thinking about customers, distribution, or go to market, which I think a lot of the times, especially with it's, and I get this all the time too, I'll just dive straight into the code. And because you just want to build, because it's so fun, and I think really stepping back and having the space to think about, okay, what does this look like as, what's the big vision here is really important. So and really just as important as the technical stuff, especially because, how quickly just AI is advancing everything on the engineering side. So
I feel like since when we first you started the cohort, we've had 1, 2, 3 model releases, and so things have moved forward from what they were a month ago.
It's crazy. No, it really is. It really is crazy. What was the most surprising thing to you?
What was the most surprising thing? I think I underestimated how much they could do.
Oh wow!
And so I thought they were just going to hack together some vibe codey projects.
Yeah.
That not that I could do, but that was significantly better. But then when I saw Dan's as an example, I was sitting there this is a fully fledged product that you could download right now.
Yeah, that's on the app.
Exactly, right? And then works on a laptop already, and might be minor kinks.
Yeah.
Is Sean building pivoting out of the marketplace and then into something that is seriously interesting?
Yeah. Agreed.
Might not understand the technical capabilities of all of it, but having the traceability of the agent and then being able to serve that back up to the enterprise customer to be this is the lifetime value. I wouldn't even know where to begin myself, right?
Yeah.
But it just feels like science fiction.
Yeah, and governance is so important there.
Deeply important.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, I think about all the stuff at Twitter that we had to deal with in terms of
oh, you would have loved a product like that.
Yeah, truly, locking down permissions and access, and also you think about all the companies that you get access once, and then you have access forever, and that should obviously all be locked down. And yeah, I really think AI governance and agents is such an important category. So
And then
super excited.
with Luke building it's not a recruitment platform, but almost like a vibe checker platform of companies that can then allow people to understand the company that they're working on, or potentially working at better. I thought it was really interesting because it's bottom up versus top down like Glassdoor.
And what was really cool about that one is that he ended up he ended up expanding into that idea after Thomas from Raycast.
Yeah, he was saying.
Yeah.
He was like, no, this is a problem. I have this problem.
Yeah. And I think also too, he's so deeply integrated into the London and startup ecosystem, and what we spoke about is it can be pretty closed off, but if you have tools like this that allow you to get to know people better, allow you to find jobs, allow you to know even what companies are building within the London ecosystem, so incredibly important.
And you take what Luke's building, and have you talked to Henry?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you pair it with what Henry's building.
Super cool.
It's just amazing product, amazing ecosystem of products, which I think is actually quite nice because you can come to the fellowship knowing that your friends are also hacking away and build something beautiful that then feeds into the ecosystem. It's
Agreed.
Jamesin and Zoe are the center of the universe.
Oh, no, definitely
of
not.
All things UK tech.
No, we're just trying to support.
The serendipity that you've created, I think, is awesome. The angels that you put in the room, the investors, the partners are great. So, thank you.
Oh gosh, well, thank you so much for being involved. Thank you for all the time. I really, really appreciate it.
Right. What does Jamesin want to say to herself in the next cohort?
Oh, Gosh, that's such a good question. So I'm still like in logistics mode. So in my mind, I'm like, send emails out earlier. Like, get the CRM.
Get the live stream. Get the live stream
I'm
schedule
like,
sorted.
okay. Yeah, but it's like obviously that stuff is so small. It's just because all I've been thinking about is event planning and get like making sure everything's set up. But there's such a much bigger picture here and with this program and tied to like the startup ecosystem and just all the amazing things that are happening in London. So yeah, I mean, I'm just super excited to like continue this. I was so impressed by everyone in the room, and I'm really looking forward to continuing the next one.
Are we getting a second cohort soon?
Yes, we will get a second cohort. Probably, we were just talking about dates. Yeah, it's probably spring next year.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Jamesin, always a pleasure. We have to get you back
so
on.
much.
I've got some stuff in the pipeline to get you involved in.
Nice.
This is going to be fun.
Cool. Thank you so much.